vendor blender at SCC. Well, that sounds like fun. Pampered Chef is gonna be there? And 31? Oh, this sounds like fun. Oh, there's also gonna be food trucks. I should see if anyone wants to go with me. Hello? Hey, it's Nikki. I thought SCC is having this vendor blender. Do you want to go with me?
Sure. That sounds like a lot of fun. Meet you over there.
Sounds good. Bye.
Bye.
I'm so excited to be here. Me too.
Don't miss the SEC Vendor Blender. Kick off your holiday shopping with lots of style and no stress. Saturday, October 24th, 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Southeastern Community College Lauren Walker Arena Gym in the 300 building.